Hey guys, I'm Ashley Kidd, and I'm super excited to show you guys my brand new Signature Edition XT23. I want to walk you through a few features that make this boat so special. Number 1 is Surf Star.
I don't quit, I can't miss. I go hard, but I don't trip. I'm high class, but I'm low key. I make it look easy.
I'm super particular about the length, size, and shape of my wave, and Surf Star makes it so I can perfect my wave and save my custom profile. This wave has a ton of power and has helped me progress my riding. Number 2 is Comfort. The XT23 comes standard with ergonomic seating and tons of versatility in the cockpit, bow, and transom. In particular, I really love the transom seats for lounging with my friends after a long day of surfing. Number 3, my signature custom interior.
I make it look easy.
My boat features black sea deck throughout, which is all new and exclusive to my signature XT23. Along with the beach tan and jet black cool feel vinyl and unique stitching details, the interior of this boat feels super premium and luxurious. Number 4, the dog bowl drawer. I have my dog Bailey on the boat with me every day, so when designing this boat, I knew I had to include something special just for her. Number 5, the Golden Hour Gel Plate. I wanted a look that was bold and would stand out on the water, so I worked with the MasterCraft team to develop the Golden Hour Gel Plate. Along with the black Z8 tower with black Chromax inlays and the black board racks, my boat definitely turns heads when I'm out on the lake. Thank you guys for joining me today. To learn more about my Signature Edition XT23, head to mastercraft.com.